It's pretty funny.
Titans, go! Whoa!
Passage!
Garbage verified.
Whoa, check it out.
I've never seen so much trash in all. This doesn't look good.
Major Acrylic Nitrile be...
Hoorah! 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 Now tell me, what are you kids doing on my island?
We came here to make you clean up your act!
You can forget it, Ninny boy. Something new, like one of those delightful little garden gnomes. But when it came time for me to be recycled, I was rejected because where I came up with a new dream. I would build a mighty weapon out of garbage to exact my revenge on the cruel business. Exactly 9% of the world's recyclable plastic.
But if you do that, then nothing will get the recycled.
And of me, hoorah!
Yes, we do, because we've got the power of recycling!
Recycling to Tote Bag!
Face it, Major, you're no match for the...
Recycling to... Oh no! We've been
Hoorah! You recyclers are pathetic!
If anyone's a big recycler, it's you!
Me? A recycler? Never!
a way you can recycle.
Hoorah! You're right!
Don't worry, we have a plan.
Hoorah! You turned all that garbage into this?
Indeed, we use the plastic.